Welcome back, guys. So in the previous video, we inserted this row in our database. And what we are going to do in this video that we are going to get this data back from the database. So let's get going. Let's head back to the code editor and we are going to create a new controller other than that about controller we created. We are going to create it in the same way, and to do that we are going to use the artisan command. But I want to say a note here. There is some naming conventions between Laravel developers. So the naming convention applies on the model's name and on the controller's name. Usually Laravel developers name the models as singular. As you can see here, it's a user model and a product model. I didn't pay attention to the about controller because we wasn't that in that situation. But for now on, let's make a deal together and make our naming professional. So in the controllers side, we will name them as plural. Okay, so it will be products controller. So as a model, it's a product, and as a controller, it will be a products controller, and each first letter of each word is a capital. So let's exit first the Tinker and let's clear this. And let's create our lovely controller. PHP artisan make, oh my god, my keyboard is not working well. Controller, and let's name it products controller. Okay, so let's hit enter, and controller is created successfully. So we can find that we have the products controller in our controllers folder. So let's make a function here, public function. Let's call this one show to follow the naming convention. It's just a name, so when we want to show a product, we will use this name. I don't know why, but it's like that. Just use it. So we will get this product back using this method. There are several methods to get data back, and we are using Laravel Eloquent. And it's very useful when it comes to dealing with retrieving data from the database, and also when you want to insert data in your database. It has some downsides, but it's a very easy way to get your data nice and clear and easily. So let's name a products. Let's name our variable here, right? And let's type equals, and now we're going to use the product model we have used, and we will use a function in this product model. We will type this double colon, and then we are going to use a function that came with product model. As we can notice here, if we go to product model, we can see that the product extends the model class from Laravel. Okay, and this model class has so many useful functions that you can use to deal with database, and one of that very useful functions is all. All right, so this one line of code will get all of the products inserted in your products table and give it to you in this variable. Okay, so let's return this product, but before that we can't just type product and go away. We have to import this class in this folder, and to do that we will use the use keyword. Okay, and we will type app and then backslash, and then we will type the model name, which is product, and then semicolon. All right, so with that you imported the product model to this file to use it. So you can use the product model whenever you want. Okay, now we are going to retrieve or return the view that we want to view. Okay, and to do that we will use the same thing we used in the previous video, which is return view, and then we will return the product view. We didn't create this yet, but we will create it in a minute, and we will return this view with the data. With this data, let's copy it. I am superly lazy. Okay, and let's make this happen, and we have this code written, and it's very clean and clear. Now let's create our view, and to create that we are going to go to the views folder and create a new file, and we will name it product as we call it in our controller. Let's name that blade.php. Oops. Something's wrong. There's something wrong. .blade. Okay, I don't know what went wrong. All right, so we have the blade here. Let's copy something. Let's copy it from the I am super lazy. Let's copy this and let's paste it in the product blade. Okay, and we are going to clear this, and we are going to copy this or cut this and paste it here. Okay, so we are going to loop through the products we have made or we have defined here. Okay, this one actually. Okay, the products, we're going to loop through them as product. Okay, so at first we are going to output the name. So the name, and we will use this arrow thing, name, and we are going to make as a second line a small tag, and we will return the product price. All right, and let's make the money sign small, and let's finally make a p tag and get the details, product details. All right, and let's close this p tag, and now we will get all the products we want in this section. So let's go to the browser. Oh, we forgot to define this route in the web.php. So let's go to the web.php and define this route. Let's copy this and let's paste it here, and let's name it show, and it will go to products controller, and it will go to show in products controller. And now let's go to the browser, go to our application and type show here, and hopefully, yeah, it showed up our data we want. It's very big because of the styling of the Laravel styles. So what if we want to output many data or multiple data? Let's create so fast another row in our database. All right, so I have created this Ford item here, or this Ford product here, with its price and its details. So let's now refresh this page. Hopefully it will get it as well. So as we can see, where's the name? Actually, it might be very big. So let's edit our product blade. Let's remove everything. Let's remove, okay. Remove everything from the body, and let's just paste this as it is. So it will print out the name, car, and its price, and this is a very good price for this product. And as a second product, it will print out these values for the second product. So that is it for this video for now. Sorry it took so long. See you in the next one. Bye.